Hi, this is Heather Lynn with Keller Williams, Palo Alto. I am standing in front of 3651 Florence Street here in Redwood City, my latest listings. This beautiful home is located in the Friendly Acres neighborhood of Redwood City, which is a neighborhood I personally live in, sandwiched between Marsh Road, Bay Road, and 101 as the favorite neighborhood on the Nextdoor app in 2020. It's only 5 minutes away from the Stanford Redwood City campus, which occupies 35 acres of land. A lot of its administrative offices and clinical departments have moved to Redwood City in its campus, and this location is only 5 minutes away from the Facebook campus. So lots of great employment right around here. This pocket is still very affordable, even though real estate prices have gone up quite a bit. It's still very affordable, very family friendly, and it's off Marsh Road exit in 101. So great commute to all the high-tech companies and employments around here. And the other highlight about this home in particular is a walking distance from DeLucci Supermarket, a Starbucks, and a couple of great restaurants around here, and a nice bakery, which is one of my favorites. So great location, lots of convenience to offer, and this beautiful home had been completely remodeled a few years ago. So let me give you a tour and show you around. So this home was occupied by a licensed electrician. So he knows all the tradespeople when he remodeled this home back in 2006. He had created a recessed ceiling, as you could tell, with a crown molding throughout the house in every bedroom, living room, dining area. He's also created this home theater speaker system that you can see on the top of the ceiling right here in the living room. Lots of built-in furniture throughout the house. For example, this bench area, which creates a nice bay window reading area. It's perfect as a sitting area, or bring a cup of coffee. You could read by the window while looking at the nice gardens in the front. Nice hardwood floors throughout the house. Nice wood-burning fireplace. It's got that rustic look to the house and give you a lot of warmth during the winter time. Let me show you the rest of the house. Nice carpeted bedroom in all the bedrooms. And this is one of the guest bedroom. We could tell with the signature crown molding, recessed lighting in every room. Obviously beautiful casement windows that you could roll out, get some fresh air. These are really top of line windows that was put in when the home was remodeled in 2006. The double pane windows create really good sound barriers from the streets. Neutral color bathrooms in all three bathrooms. And this is another guest bedroom, which has an additional door that takes you to the side yard. Yeah, and let me show you the master bedroom, which also comes with two casement windows on either side. So it gives you that privacy because it's not directly staring into your bed, but it gives you nice sun exposure. Also, speaker system on the ceiling. And it's got a 2-sink vanity bathroom and a shower. The third bedroom, again, we're going to walk through. Come with a custom built desk over here. So perfect, this home is perfect for home office. If you have a family where both parents work, need their home office, and then multiple children need to go to school online, this home is equipped for that. Also, custom built closet space with additional desk in this closet. We're gonna take you through one of the whole baths. So this home's got a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, plus the office den, in addition to all the nice amenities around it. The total square footage is over 1,700 square feet, so quite a spacious one-level home. And this takes you to the side yard here so this home has a front yard and 2 side yards. This is the rear side yard with organic garden set up for you. So in addition to the built-in desk in one of the bedrooms and the closet, and actually in the kitchen, which I'm going to show you, has a built-in desk as well. This house has a separate office den. Laundry area with built-in cabinets. And this office area could be the kids' study area, could be your home office from the real office. And next to the office den is the 2-car garage, which is really spacious, all drywalled with sufficient lighting. And behind the garage door is a long driveway that allows you to park 2 additional cars. Let me show you the kitchen and the dining area. So we got top-of-the-line Viking's appliances, stainless steel Viking's appliances. Those are commercial grade stove and oven, so it will awake the chef in you if you love to cook. Many of us become one during the pandemic. And again, signature built-in shelves units in the kitchen, and there's a home office for the mom. We have a bar divider area where this could be a breakfast bar or just a sitting area, and this is the formal dining area. And when the weather is nice, have a nice barbecue at the front yard. This area is completely paver stoned, all fenced in, so it gives you a nice privacy, but you could enjoy the outdoor. This is perfect for a reading area, or in a lazy afternoon, grab a bottle of wine and just have just bring out a book and have a glass of wine here. So perfect spot. If you'd like to know more about this home or have a private tour, please feel free to contact me. I love to schedule a time to give you a personalized tour of this home or any homes that are on the market right now.